Chukyedirda lobsen chukyedchi caution words di karsa tanang zo jushadi tiwa itsi jura di khaze nyama lobde tangbona ti chi yesams kila hins tagi tekchara lobde nim tangbodla tagi tekchara tiwa la pabe ani tsi kharpij tangla dra Mary has just joined St. Agnes School. Revati asked her some questions. Mary called ani jushuchire Agnes lapta lechra Saint ladit the Yishugi chulu da teoi kirushire ra Yishugi lapta da nila Saint leda. Redij lapta na la jushuchires and Revati asked her some questions. Rivati ye ani Mary lara her la ani tio khashish kures tio khashish kechires Rivati khalare why are you waiting outside the classroom khalare kira ani zengang ye chulo dala khachin go to yes Mary ye I want to meet Miss Rita I have just joined school today nga khare Miss Rita thunye thudus thuguyes kainsna de meche nga tharina and laptala juis Revati said Revati khalare what is your name kira min khare ina Mary khalare Mary Thomas Revati when did you come to Delhi Mary Delhi khadu yu Mary la and Mary khalare last week the doinyamat la yu is Revati where are you staying kira khadi yes Mary in Saket land Sajaj Delhi lara Revati how did you come to school Laptala khandis yung is Mary by bus Revati who is your best friend and togo yashu si bel Mary Rani is tadina zuta na tiwa gyangya nang tai du zamala tiwa tisa do tiye gi shiru lawre tsikashi khar du wai khachine khari be khadu khawa khandis su le zama tiwa tisi chaira tiwa gi tsik charu on zala question words chara dadela seotiana shige what when where why how who are words which we use to ask questions and are called question words what the when the where the why how who then sama ani ngonzogi tio tsik den zo tio go du sambal phichigires na konzola khala na any question words later such sentences ends with a question mark ta dindi go chu sa yo chi ji na dindi chi yo yi chi du ji wa na nga chu thamat la kha thi re question mark ra thiwa ta ti thir ta samal ta thiwa samal the next exercise 1 complete these questions with question words the tiwa tinzo and tiwa chi yuwa chene konsho as thangbodi what is your name rapena sonali ta mindala what is your name adila dash do you come from kira khane yung ilat la khora an kharthi mera khane yung do chennai ne yung da len de chennai cha di len do kya sharta ne ribu gena I come from Chennai la chupa. Then dash do you go out to play? Ta len la tagi ngas thio kharda ta shura. Len khardu at 5 o'clock. Chizanga ba la ra. Ta khadu rugi lad la kejli ta. Ra khadu lad si kharbi chepera. Ta di chuwe chuporta. Then dash old are you? Ta dil len ta ni 7 years old na. Lo do in la ina thio khali ra. Then dash is that girl tadi thio khaptu ta na thio khar chu chu ra jazan len pa pe ngonjle thio ko che that is my sister Nisha ala surile sara surle na khar thi pe ra dash are you late today tari late ge jilu the de khare I was completing my homework khajne jilu thesle de da nga khachi de la na nangle khare cha chue la cha chu de yes Then you rearrange these words to form cautions. That's see dunzo rearrange lana kya du dik has. Arrange lana dibara re lana kya du diwa. Kya du dik has kachela diwa suya chitla. Pesishin tangmo konso tera. Do up you wake when ledla. Tenda miache dik diwa ina tenda yugyo suya na. When do you wake up? Kera kadu ya langyo yus nyesi yus ledra. Tadina shi do you wear leave? Zama kira kawa digyo le the contest team at Sudiktara. Is the what name school of your Kiran Gilabdi Mila Karre letra? The Tata DH. Are you speaking to whom? Kirasula Keshi the Tuadi Tsutie.